Meaning of Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein's monster. Frankenstein's monster refers to the creature created by Dr. Victor Frankenstein in Mary Shelley's novel Frankenstein. The creature was assembled from various body parts and brought to life through scientific means, but ultimately turned out to be a monstrous and uncontrollable force that caused destruction and chaos. It has come to represent the idea of creating something that becomes a danger and goes out of control, as well as the dangers of playing God and tampering with the natural order of things. The phrase is often used metaphorically to describe something that has spiraled out of control or gone awry.